So the objective for today's topic is what is this conflict, or this alleged conflict anyway, between science and faith? You'll find out that there is really no conflict between science and faith. The conflict is between an ideology called materialism, which we'll explain, and you'll have firsthand testimony of that. Then we'll show why science and faith should work together. Then I want you to put on your Socrates persona and to think deeply about all these topics. So let's first explain the conflict between materialism and faith. And I'm going to introduce to you Dr. Robert Jastrow, the director of, he was the previous director of NASA's Goddard Institute. And he calls himself an agnostic. He's not a believer, but he explains the ideological problem that he faced all along as being a world-class scientist.
Our universe, long thought to be eternal, static, and relatively small, was growing larger by the second. The implications were staggering. If the universe is continually expanding, then at some point early in its history, it must have been smaller and more compact.
If you reverse the outward motions of the galaxies and go backward in time, they come closer and closer together, and you reach a point finally where they're nearly infinite in density and temperature, and farther than that you can't go. So there is a beginning. There is a point in time from which it all started. And that's a remarkable thing because it has a very strong theological flavor to it. And that intrigued me because I am an agnostic. And if there was a beginning, a moment of creation in the universe, then there was a creator. And a creator is not compatible with agnosticism. And just as I can't believe that there was a creator, I can't believe that this all happened by chance, which implies there was a creator. So you see, I'm in a completely hopeless bind, and I've stayed there.